every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Another day, another vlog. This is the Queen Motivator Lutando. I decided to do some groceries and just ukuthi ngishawe umoya. Ngiqale e-beach nabantwana just ukuthi we are having fun because ilanga liyashisa. Nathi kumele siyithole leyo vavavom njengoba kuyi-16 guys. Ya usuku lama-holiday. Sithe nje asiyibusise, sibe right, sibe happy. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngizosimanthola le video zobe sengasazona i-16 but nibe ne-holidays inhle, nibe right, nibe happy, nibakhiphe abantwana even though ku-tough guys. Everything is hard every year. As a mother, as a parent, it's not easy guys, but we have to start somewhere to be somewhere. As long be happy abantwana bakho, nawe uba happy because you did see ukuthi there's something engiyenzele bona, there's something ezobajabulisa every now and then. Bese uyawenza ama-memories njengoba ngiwenza-ke nami. Ama-memories ngiwayenza kanye nani. Ningakhohlwa-ke ukushare the positive comment guys because ibalulekile kule channel ukuze ikhule. Ngiyawathanda futhi nama-suggestion. So lana-ke sengise-Checkers. Ngithi angithi ukubamba-ke igrocery encane because asinako ukudla. Njengoba ubona-ke ngiqale ngayo le combo oyibonayo. Alright, don't forget to support me by checking my other videos, please. Kuyafika ukudideka mayincane imali na uvela ubona ukuthi hawe mango sami sengithengile lento engiyifunayo kodwa ngingaqedi ngoba vele ngiyayidinga into ewukuthi newukuthi. So ngididekile-ke la njengoba ubona ukuthi hayibo angisazi-ke manje ngizothengani because manje ngiyacalculate imali yami ayihlangani guys. Hayi. Sengiqedile kona kufani because ngikwazile ukuyithola insipho enkulu ngizowasha ingubo zokulala. Yibo phela fanele insila ya this year isale kulo nyaka. Ngizamile impela guys ukuyigrosa yami ka-December nje like ukhisimusi yonke lena. Cabanga ngalesikhathi ukuthi i-25 izoshaya kukhona lokudla. That is the stress of a parent, you know. So guys, please support this channel. I need this channel to grow. And maybe I can make some catching and start helping more and more because I need to help my brothers. They are not working. I also have to build my family because ukudla makungekho nenjabulo ayikho, but we must keep trying to achieve what we need because we are here for our families. So guys, please subscribe and like and comment the positive comment. Please check my other videos. I need you guys to support this channel. I know maybe some things are boring, but yeah. Ithina-ke lapha-ke sesiyahamba sesiqedile sithi hayi-ke ngeke siyayivala-ke manje ngoba ya isikhathi sihambile and ilanga lishisile. Ngathi singabuyela khona e-beach. Ciao guys.